Want to know how to add expenses from your account in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created some videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be seeing this interface right here. Now adding expenses is super simple. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here, just simply select that. And now right here, you should be seeing three options: income, expense, or transfer. Now since we are under expense, just simply select that. And now just simply type in your date, which should be today, or you can just simply edit accordingly and then type in your amount. So I'm just going to make it 500, and now your category, anything, and then your account. So if you're going for cash, card, or any other online accounts. So I'm just going for cash for now, and you can just simply add a note and description, and finally select save. And once everything is done, there you go. Your expense transaction has been added, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.